You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
So you're looking for an offset smoker for your backyard. Well, I'm Polly Detmers, and I'm here to help you make the correct decision. Yeah, you can get any brand and have success, but in my opinion, this is the best offset smoker you can buy for home. It is the CHAR-GRILLER Grand Champ XD series offset smoker. You will buy it, you'll be happy. It will be such a pleasure to use, and you will not have any buyer's remorse because you're not paying no $2,000 for it. This thing is a champion. Perfecto mundo. Here it is after I have owned it for 9 months. This is my favorite piece of outdoor cooking equipment that I own, hands down. Let's look at some things. I've had this thing since September 2023. I've used it quite a bit, but I haven't used it in the last few months, or last couple months at least. But I'm gonna try to change that. I do have to work barbecue tonight with Burnt Barrel Barbecue, so I'm not going to be cooking on this today before I leave. I'll get my smoke on at that job. So yeah, this thing is absolutely great. These trees, I got to see some of these cottonwood trees, and they were dumping all that cottonwood seed. Looked like snow in the morning because they'll be all white in the grass and everything. But it's kind of cleared up now. You can still see a little bit of that cottonwood coming down here and there, but nothing bad. Yeah, so this thing had all over the place. It was hard to get off there because I had oil on the outside of it. But I got it off there and I put some more oil on it. I did put linseed oil on it. I think linseed oil is good. I just only on the outside though. I would never put on the inside. I don't think it would be healthy. Never use linseed oil on the inside. Yeah, still in great condition. It's been sitting out here pretty much like right there for the last four months, I guess. And yes, in the wintertime I do bring it in the garage. But let's take a look at how it's looking right now. You can see right there in the hinge, it's kind of, I don't know if this is the way it was when I bought it or not, but it kind of droops down there. And I don't know if that is, again, I don't know if it was like that when I first got it. I'm gonna have to look at some old video and see. But it's not really a concern actually, because it doesn't matter. The lid still closes. Yeah, there is a little bit of a gap here. A little bit of a gap. I'm not, like I said, not worried about it. And actually, it can be bent back down.
You're watching the Polly Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
It's great. I love it. You just open this thing. It smells like I'm cooking something in there already. And I'm always very careful to open that slowly so I don't mess up that lid. But yeah, you can see it right here. Bent a little bit. Bent a little bit there. Not a showstopper. Great offset smoker. In my opinion, the best you can buy in a Home Depot or a Lowe's kind of store. The slide out grill grates are amazing, nice and seasoned. The burn box, the hinges on this is perfect, nothing wrong at all. What I am going to do here when I get a little bit more time, I'm going to tighten everything down, every little nut and bolt, and just make sure everything's up to and touching. Always been a lot of complaints about this little knob coming off. It's still strong. I think people tighten this thing down too much, and then they have to put more force on this to open and close this. You don't need to tighten it down all the way. Yeah, those grates, they are champions. Perfectamundo. I just sweep them out, or shake them out. Do have a little bit of fat residue down there. I call it preservation residue. Wheels, they're not broken. Some people say they break off. It's not a commercial smoker, although I'm sure it could be used as one. Carefully, it could be used as one. Here's my serial number. Yeah, very, very good offset smoker. Yeah, I'm absolutely thrilled with this offset smoker. So if you're trying to get your summer started off right, get the Grand Champ. Trust me. And tell them Paulie sent you. Thanks for watching. Till next time.